Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Wall Street. Bill Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Yes, I've done my hair today. We are not able to get haircuts at the moment, so I'm sick of wearing a hat every day. It gives me a headache. Anyway, just wanted to say a massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. It's incredible. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I love talking with everyone in the comments and in the community tab. So if you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey, and if everybody could smash that like button down there and give it a good old thumbs up, it would really help me in this channel, and I would appreciate it. Give it a good old thumbs up, all right? So, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, especially with cryptos. You can lose your money like that. Jump on all the websites I've recommended in every single one of these videos. It will give you confidence before investing, all right? So please be careful. Also, my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit for yourself, because as I said, you can lose money like that in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. Do your research. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, so now the formalities are out of the way, guys. So yesterday I did buy some more cryptos, and I'm going to get into one that I discovered and I'm pretty interested in it. It was a crypto gem that I found on Kucoin. So we'll get into that in a second, guys. But before we do that, I'm going to show you my CoinSpot account. Here we are. Now, for those of you who are new into cryptos in Australia, please feel free to use the referral link below. We can get $10 in Bitcoin. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? Price predictions are at least 100 to 120,000 by the end of the year, and that is USD, by the way. So in Australian dollars, easily 140, 150. So 150,000 would be lovely. So who doesn't want Bitcoin? All right, so Bitcoin is down. Everything is down today, $57,000. Ethereum, 3,900. Cardano, $2.87. BNB, 471. XRP is down to $1.26. Great buying opportunity. Solana is $1.90. Keep going down here. Polkadot, $37. Dogecoin, 27 cents. Keep scrolling down here. Stellar XLM is at 36 cents, guys. Where's VeChain? Sitting at 11 cents, guys. This is crazy, man. This is almost at 10 cents here. I'm definitely going to be buying more of this. Theta's just below $7 here at $6.64. And let's have a look at the other ones here. Hedera, HBAR, 42 cents, guys. And by the way, these are my favorites. Neo is down to $50. Keep going down here. XDC is sitting at 18 cents, so it's down 4.47% today, and Harmony 1 is 20 cents. I could keep going all day on this, but some really good buying opportunities. I'm not particularly worried about, in terms of whether or not we're in a bull market or bear market, because I'm just dollar cost averaging into all these cryptos. And for that community post today, I'll just quickly show you this. So I did post up, so do you think we're in a crypto, it's in a bull market or a bear market? 63% still believe we're in a bull market, and I believe that as well. I think there's too much adoption going on right now, and I think that this bull market may run into 2022. Fingers crossed. Bear market, 33% believe we're in a bear market, and others obviously 4%. So it's interesting stuff. So I just want to show you what I bought yesterday, and I did buy some more XRP. I dollar cost average into XRP because it's one of my favorite projects, and there is incredible utility. I strongly believe that this cryptocurrency is going to change the banking and financial sector forever, and it's already happening. It's got major partnerships with banks and financial institutions around the world. We all know that XRP is going to be used as a bridge currency, and obviously if it replaces SWIFT, there's going to be trillions of dollars that moves through XRP on a weekly basis around the world, because it's a bridge currency between banks. There's a lot of money that flows through this, guys. So I did buy more XRP yesterday. The other one I did buy obviously is VeChain. Here we go here, because this is an incredible project with real world utilities, and it's actually being used right now to track the you-know-whats around the world that we're all being pushed to get, guys, in the arm. So it's actually tracking that at the moment, if you didn't know. So VeChain is being used for that, believe it or not. So anyway, regardless of that, it is an incredible project, and with real-world utilities for supply chain management. You know, if you order it, like you can, basically luxury goods, it will track if they're genuine. It's obviously already being used by Louis Vuitton, Tag Heuer, Moët Chandon, I think it is, or just Champagne or something like that. All these luxury brands. It's being used by car manufacturers, Renault. I believe it's BMW Group. Walmart is also partnered with it. So it's just incredible, to see how early we are into this. And I strongly believe this has a very positive future. So I'm definitely dollar cost averaging into this, and I did yesterday. Let's have a look here what else I bought yesterday. And I did add more of Reef. Okay, so check this out here. So Reef was definitely one that I'm dollar cost averaging in. I've got a decent bag of this now, and I've seen price predictions for Reef in the $10 to $15 range. And I don't know if it's true, but definitely one that I'm dollar cost averaging into, and it's at a great buying opportunity at 2 cents right now. So it's got a 24-hour trading volume of $14.8 million, and it's got a market cap of $331 million, guys. So it's definitely under that billion there, which is good. It's a hidden gem. Not many people are talking about it, but Reef I did buy yesterday. So definitely one to consider if you're looking for a flyer. That's one of them. And I was doing research yesterday, and I came across this on CoinMarketCap, and it's Ubix network. UBX is the ticker symbol. And I was looking at the charts, with all the cryptos on it, and about the second to 10th page, you've got some gems in there you've got to look for, and you've got to check obviously that they're new projects. They haven't been around since the last bull market, which this particular one hasn't been, which is incredible. It's listed on some good exchanges like Kucoin, where XYO is currently listed on, so if you're looking to jump into this one, this is what I've done anyway. I've just threw in a couple of dollars into this, which is interesting project really. So UBX, it's obviously well and truly under a penny, guys, but if you look at the last year, it is up 5,513%. It had a huge pump earlier this year, and I'm just going to wait. So here we go here. It peaked up there on the 11th of April. Let me just get this here. So on the 10th of April, it had its biggest high. It's just been consolidating there and obviously hovering around, below a penny mark right there. So 3 zeros. So it's incredible because it's got a pretty good project behind it, guys, and it was very fascinating to discover this. But this is, around the price range that I bought XYO at, so I'm pretty happy about that. It's got a market cap of $25 million. Trading volume has been 1.6 million, so people are buying it. It's got a circulating supply of 45 billion UBX tokens. It does have a lot of supply tokens there at 1 trillion, guys. But I'll get into the project now, so you just have a read of it. So UBX network is a DAG blockchain hybrid designed to integrate blockchains of various types of consensus into single peer-to-peer network. Users can create their own blockchains, guys, of various types, including private ones. So this is very interesting because if you can create your own blockchain, it's not necessarily a token. It's like a very, very early stage Ethereum, right? And this is what I like about it. So private ones using them to service their business processes. At the same time, all created blockchains are in a single address space in a common network and can be integrated with each other without using any gateways. The protocol supports smart contracts, JavaScript, and various types of tokens. So this is very fascinating, guys. In addition to the integration at the network level, the team is developing an interface that is super app built in a microservice architecture that allows various internal applications to be integrated with each other, providing users with a seamless use of various services. Now, it's an interesting project, guys. They've got an incredible website, and they do have a following on Twitter as well, and this is something you got to follow as well. They're pushing out social media updates. They have a following. You've got to check out that stuff because sometimes these projects can be risky. But a positive thing for me is that it does have a following on Twitter. So I'm going to show you this now. Okay, so this is their Twitter page, Ubix Network. So they have 21,000 followers, which is good. And again, it is available on Kucoin, which is to me a positive. And they do update their audiences on a regular basis. Here, 13 hours ago. So UBSN, silent. They've got some awesome partnerships here. And check this out here. So there's some updates here. We're really a tremendous community on Telegram. So they do have Telegram. Obviously, everyone's got a lot of Telegram. But let's have a look at their website here because I think you need to see this. I'm going to bring this up here. Okay, so here it is here, Ubix Network. This is their website, and they've put a lot of work into this, guys. We are Ubix, a digital universe with endless possibilities. Direct acrylic graph, that's the DAG. So Ubix is a hybrid DAG, fully built Node.js. GitHub worked on over the last 4 years by a team of 17 people. They've got an incredible team here. 2 of the founders and CEOs have actually studied they're based in Russia, I believe in Moscow or something like that. So let's have a look at this. So Ubix is a hybrid, meaning it's different kinds of private and public blockchains in a single network. Ecosystem, we have a full ecosystem that includes dApps, a launchpad, an exchange, and super application, our heart. Daily 0.10% airdrop. So now this is interesting, right? Hold over 1 million native UBX and receive 0.10% compounding UBX per day. So if you hold 1 million of these tokens you can receive passive income from this if you stake it on their app. So that's entirely up to you if you want to do that. Let's have a look here. So I'm just going to, here we go here. Learn about Ubix. So our innovative protocol allows developers to create their own blockchains, fully integrated into a single network without any intermediaries, gateways, beacon chains. This allows them to integrate applications with each other at the basic level of the network, but beyond that, we are building a common universal interface that integrates applications into a single super application, which allows end users to seamlessly use all available services. So our roadmap, so website redesign, that obviously has been completed. Ubix Exchange, that's 55% completed. Binance Smart Chain integration, that's 100% completed. Silent Notary, various tasks, 60%. Ubix, various tasks, 70%. Just an interesting project, guys. I discovered it. I did buy into this, by the way. So on this channel, if I'm talking about something, I'm definitely involved in the project. Excuse me. All right, so check this out here. So how do I add Ubix token to Ubix, which is like their app? Obviously, if you're buying this token, you can store it on Trust Wallet. You have to add a custom token or coin onto Trust Wallet, and it is an ERC20 token, so you can add this onto Trust Wallet, guys. So unwrapping, how do I wrap UBX? How can I earn daily airdrops, guys? So obviously this is the other one here. So let's just go into this. So Ubix gives their investors 10% airdrops. However, in order to receive these airdrops, you need native UBX and native UBX in our DAG coin. Currently, UBX is traded on Kucoin. Isn't native, but the ERC20 version. In order to receive the daily airdrops, please allow instructions below. So you can follow all these instructions and you can get the passive income there, guys. So let's have a look here. I'm not going to get into the technical description, but here's the team, guys. So these are all, the team members here. Oleg works at the heart of our network. So they've got obviously network here, developer here. Developer, CEO is Max Bruce. I can't pronounce his name. So Max is the CEO and founder of Ubix. He manages the project and manages the team. He studied together with Alexei at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. So it's pretty incredible, guys. We've got an awesome team here. And here we go. Alexei is the CFO and founder of Ubix. Previously, Alexei worked as the Alpha Bank, Nomos Bank, Zenit Bank, and Bank of Moscow. He also studied at the Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology with the previous CEO there. So this is pretty cool, guys. They've got a pretty big team here, which is good. And obviously, they've got an incredible website here. They've put a lot of work into this. But I just found this project fascinating. Let's have a look here. In terms of partnerships, they haven't really got any major partnerships, which is interesting as well. I mean, I don't know if they've got private backing on, obviously, in this, but I believe they're utilizing the funding from people buying this and have a developers fund, so they're using 10% of that, I believe. Here we go. Here our numbers. Our Ubix Day transfers millions in dollars on its network. We currently have 20,042 non-zero wallets, 6 blockchains, 431 TXSs. This is all technical stuff in the past day. Besides that, our masternodes receive X amount there in fees. In the past month, there was X amount in Ubix staked on our masternodes. Holders receive 14.36% in staking rewards, which is awesome as well. And this is the market cap in USD. Circulation is 38 billion tokens. Here we go. Here, value transferred in the last 24 hours is 30 million. And 24-hour trading volume there in USD is $547,000 there. So ecosystem, block height, network 0 wallets, blockchain 6. This is all technical stuff here. They're masternodes, UBX on exchange, social status. So basically, I just want to give you an update on this one. It's an incredible project, interesting stuff, and I did buy some of it just to try it out. And again, it's quite complicated. If you're buying this on Kucoin, you will need to buy more than 100,000 tokens, around 150, which is not too hard. And you will have I think there's a fee of 50,000 tokens or 50,000 coins to withdraw it from Kucoin. And the minimum withdrawal on this is 90,000 UBX coins. So that's pretty much it on Kucoin. Anyway, I just thought it was fascinating. I wanted to give you an update on that. That is one that I just bought into yesterday. It's a long-term play for me, obviously, but I've seen some cool reviews on this project. Interesting one. Have a look at it, do your research, and guys, just an interesting project. Anyway, so other than that, guys, my portfolio is pretty much straightforward today, and I'm going to get into that quickly, so I don't want to keep you too long. All right, so Bitcoin's down, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Stellar, Tron, VeChain, love VeChain, guys, Theta, Hedera, Shiba Inu, Neo, BTT, AMP, XDC, Theta, Fuel, Holochain, Talcoin, Seacoin, Digibyte, ANKR, DAG, Constellation, XYO, VThor, Winlink, Reef, Ecomi, Electronium, Acropolis, and Ubix now is in my portfolio, guys. So check it out. All right, so that's pretty much it. I just want to give you an update today, and obviously I'm still updating every second day or so on XRP because I believe there's some updates there with the case. The SEC and Ripple are still butting heads about providing each other documentation. Who knows what's going to happen here? I'm just dollar cost averaging into it because I strongly believe it will be a game changer out there. All right, let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe. Peace. Bye.